Thank you for visiting our website PrimeLearn as well as watching my videos. My name is Samuel Derek, handling mathematics in Primary 7. Our theme today is interpretation of data, topic, data handling, subtopic, graphs of ordered pairs of coordinates, and this is our lesson number 11. Today we are going to plot and find area of plotted polygons. Let us have our first example. Use the grid below to answer questions that follow. We have part A. Plot point A with coordinates -3 and +1. We have point B with coordinates +4 and +1. We have point C with coordinates +6 and +3. We have the last point, which is point D, with coordinates -1 and +3. We have part B, join the plotted coordinates. Now here, as you are seeing our grid here, we are going to plot the points. Point A with coordinates -3 and +1. -3, we read it on x-axis, which is here on our left hand side. Then look for +1 on y-axis, which is up. We look for their intersection. We indicate a star and we write point A. Point B with coordinates +4 and +1. We come on x-axis. Our +4 on x-axis, which is in the right. Then we look for +1 on y-axis, which is here up. Their intersection, we put a star and we indicate point B. We go to point C, which has +6 and +3. We look for +6 on x-axis, which is this side of right hand side, and we look for +3 on y-axis, which is here up. We look for their intersection, we indicate a star and we put point C. We go to point D with -1 and 3, that is +3. -1 on x-axis, which is here on our left, then +3 on y-axis, which is here up, and their intersection is here. We put a star and we indicate D. So part B, join the plotted coordinates. We join point A to point D, D to C, C to B, and B to A. After joining, what can you see? Are you seeing that figure? Part C, name the figure formed. According to me, I'm seeing it is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. Reason being, it has adjacent lines, and these adjacent lines, they are parallel to each other. Line AD is parallel to line BC. Now part D, calculate the area of the figure. When finding area of the plotted polygon on a grid, we first identify the figure. As we have seen, it is a parallelogram. When finding area of a parallelogram, our formula is area equals base times height. And we are going to see our base. We are going to take the base as line A and line AB, whereby we are going to count the squares. Seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means our base takes 7. Then height, we are going to count from line AB to line DC going up. We are seeing from line AB, we have 1, 2. We have only 2 squares. So we are going to say that area equals to base times height. That is area equal to 7 times 2 into bracket square units. We get area equals to 14 square units. Number 2, plot the points R with coordinates +1 and -2, S +1 and -6, T +5 and -6, and point V +5 and -2. Join the points R to S, S to T, T to V, and V to R. Name the shape formed. Part C, if one square unit on the grid represents 3 centimeters, find the area of the figure. As you are seeing our grid here, we have y-axis and x-axis. In y-axis, it is this vertical line, and horizontal axis, it is x-axis. So we are going to plot and we say that the first coordinate, we read it on x-axis. So we have point R with 1 and -2. We read coordinate 1 on x-axis, which is here on our right-hand side, 1. Then we look for -2 on y-axis, which is here down. We look for their intersection and you indicate point R after putting a star. Then we have point S with 1, +1 and -6. Point S, +1 on x-axis, which is on our right. Then -6 on y-axis, which is this way down. We look for their intersection, we put a star and we indicate point S. We go to point T. Point T with coordinates +5 and -6. +5 on x-axis, which is on right. Then -6 on y-axis, which is this way down. We look for their intersection and we put a star, we indicate point T. We go to last point, which is point V. We look for +5 on x-axis, which is this side on right. Then -2 on y-axis, which is this way down. We look for their intersection, we put a star and we indicate point V. As we are seeing our points here, they told us to join R to S. We join S to T, T to V, and V to R. Are you seeing that shape? Are you seeing that shape? Now, which shape is this? Name the shape formed. The shape formed, me I'm saying it is a square. We have part C. If one square unit on a grid represents 3 centimeters, find the area of the figure. Area of a square, we say that area equals side times side. So, one side, we have 4 squares, and they told us that one square unit represents 3 centimeters. It means 4 times 3, we get 12. And our side, 12 centimeters. We say that area equals to 12 times 12 into bracket, centimeters squared. When you multiply 12 times 12, we get area equals to 144 centimeters squared. In this video, we've been looking at plotting and finding area of plotted polygons. Thank you for being a great viewer. I remain Sembwai Derek, Mathematics, Primary 7. Bye-bye.